Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Ritu and welcome back to my channel Ritu's Riders. Here you all learn English easily with me. আর যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে অবশ্যই এই ভিডিওটিকে লাইক করো, চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আর হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই শেয়ার করে অন্যদেরকেও শেখার সুযোগ করে দাও। Our today's learning topic is British versus American words. Biscuits, cookies, chips, French fries, rubbish, garbage, dustbin, trash can, nappy, diaper, lollipop, candy, football, soccer, trousers, pants, jumpers, sweaters, trainers, sneakers, aeroplane, airplane, Z, Z, rubber, eraser, fast, fast, toilet, restroom, torch, flashlight, mobile phone, cell phone, lorry, truck, bonnet, hood, silencer, muffler, petrol, gas, number plate, license plate, flat, apartment, university, college, holiday, vacation, late, rent, chemist, drugstore, postbox, mailbox, flyover, overpass, state school, public school, curtains, drapes, bill, check, tap, faucet, taxi, cab, sweets, candy, underground, subway, sofa, couch, reception, front box, wash basin, sink, trolley, cart, fall, autumn, yard, garden, grade, mark, stove, cooker, wheat, corn, crib, cot, thread, cotton, rick, crash, closet, wardrobe, shorts, underpants, subway, underground railway, pavement, road surface, sedan, salon, store, shop, one way, single, someplace, somewhere, elevator, lift, baggage, luggage, raincoat, Macintosh, highway, main road, crazy, mad, sick, ill, film, movie, ground floor, first floor, purse, handbag, high street, main street, caravan, trailer, car park, parking lot, boot, trunk, pin code, zip code, waistcoat, vest, tube, subway, shopping, cart, candy floss, cotton candy,